Okay, number 35. This is the part of the test that you're going to actually have to write something. This is not multiple choice. So this is a short answer kind of thing. So it says construct the rough graph of the following polynomial showing the zeros and the end behavior. So the first thing we got to do is find our zeros. To find your zeros, basically it says set each one of these parentheses equal to 0 and solve for x. So here's my first one. I said x minus 3 equal to 0. So I'm trying to get x by itself, so I add 3 to both sides. And I get x equals 3. Well, everybody should know. Okay, so everybody should know an easier way is just to change the signs. It's just to change the sign. So this positive 2 becomes negative 2. This negative 6 becomes positive 6. And then this positive 8 becomes negative 8. And all I'm going to do is graph that on the number. So you're going to have to sketch this out. Bye. See you later, baby. And hopefully I have enough lines. But if not, I can draw them. So we want to come to where x is 3. Let me put that up here. I forgot. X equals 3 because I solved that out. So we go over. This is our positive side. This is our negative side. Here's x equals 3. X equals negative 2. 1, 2. X equals positive 6. X equals negative 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I didn't go far enough. Here's my negative 8. Okay, so the next thing I got to do is I got to take my negative sign here, and I got to take all my numbers that I changed, my zeros, and I got to multiply them out. Mommy. And I'm going to have to multiply those out to get my y-intercept. That'll be my 5th point that I'm going to have to go through. So I'm going to bring up my calculator. And I'm going to put this in. I put my negative sign in first. Okay, so we're going to put all these in the calculator, including the negative. So negative, parentheses, 3. Parentheses, negative 2. Parentheses, 6. Parentheses, negative 8. And we should get negative 288. Well, I'm just going to guess that negative 288 is right here. Okay? And then we got to know the end behavior. So our negative sign tells us it's going to end going down. So all I do is start going down. I go through my first point. I go through my second point. I go through my y-intercept that we figured out to be 288. I go through my next point. And then I go through my last point. And I just hat arrows on the end. And that's easy. Super easy. And try the rest of them.